Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Celi Vee. Today we're doing this wonderful backdrop that's right behind me. It is perfect if you're looking for any backdrop for any occasion. It also even works as a headboard for your bed. Yes, a headboard for your bed. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also click that notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I come out with my next video. It's your girl Celi Vee. The video is up next. Hey guys, so these are the items we'll be using for this project. White LED lights you can purchase at Walmart or Amazon. The staple gun you can purchase at Home Depot, but if you're uncomfortable using a staple gun, you can always use hooks for this project. The screwdriver you can purchase at Home Depot. Since I'm going for that fairy look, I purchased sheer curtains, and you can get these at Ross or Amazon as well. Just an FYI, the hooks and screws are usually included with the curtain rod, so you'll be saving money. And I started by screwing the hooks in first. That way when I'm stapling in between the hooks and under the hooks. Before I start on the lights, I want to make sure that all the lights are untangled and I'm holding on to the plug-in. So here's a quick example of how I started the entire project. I plugged in the lights first, and I'm leaving out enough of the wire to plug into the wall. I'm gathering all of the wires together just to get an idea of where I would be stapling. So of course, before you start your first staple, you want to make sure the lights are off. And you want to make sure you're not stapling through the wires once again. And there you go. So here's basically the pattern that I followed throughout the entire project. So stapling right at the bottom, boom boom. Then stretching the wire all the way to the top. Don't bother, Celi. Jesus. And here's a close-up. Boom, boom. Just like that. There you go. And continue to keep following that pattern. Add on any lights if you have to. Now I'm taking all of the curtain panels all together. Boom, boom. And boom boom, boom boom, boom boom, boom. And wham bam thinky bam. JK. I'm something else sometimes. And we're pretty much done, you guys. That's it. Just adjust the curtains to your desire and make sure you guys cover the lights from the back. And you're done, you guys. Just plug in, relax, enjoy the vibe. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and click that bell, guys. See you guys soon. Mwah.